Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel Padai Shai. So this is another section that I have created in my videos. This is purely for the interview preparations. People who are going to prepare or are going to appear in any of the interview questions, they can take help from here, and this should help them definitely. So the first most common question that we would be discussing today, that is finding out the nth highest salary. So let's quickly switch to SQL Developer. Here, I have taken an employee details table where I have filled it with a few rows values just to try out our query. Now the query that I have written, that I have given it over here, so it would be n minus 1. Now suppose you have been given to find out the nth highest salary from an employee details table. The table is as shown in the screen. You can see the tables here. You even have duplicate salaries and you have different salaries. So let's see the concept behind finding out the nth highest salary. So first of all, after seeing this data, let's view the distinct salaries which are ordered. I have ordered it with descending order. These are the distinct salaries that we have: 8,000 to 1,000, 5,000, 4,000, and 2,000. Now, right now, over here, let us suppose someone asks you what is the highest salary among these. 8,000 obviously would be the highest salary, 5,000 would be the second highest salary, 4,000 would be the third highest salary. But if you think it a bit deeply and try to find out the answer behind, how do you find out, how do you actually find out what is the third highest salary or the second highest salary? When we are saying that 4,000 is the third highest salary, then we are expecting two other salaries above it, then only it can become the third highest salary. So if you are saying that 2,000 is the fourth highest salary, there should be three other salaries ranking above it. Similarly, if you are saying that 5,000 is the second highest salary, there should be only one single highest salary above it. So if you are finding out the third highest salary, there should be 3 minus 1, two other salaries ranking above it, and that is what we have written it over here in terms of query. This is basically a correlated subquery. From the query, what we are doing is we are comparing the outer table salary with the inner table salary and finding out the count of all those salaries row by row which are above them. So let us suppose what happens in a correlated subquery: for each and every record of the outer query, the whole of the subquery, all the datasets of the subquery are ran, executed. So suppose we have E1 dot salary as 8,000. So let us suppose E1 dot salary is 8,000 for the first round. Let us replace E1 dot salary with 8,000. Now, if we try to run this query, where this is select count of distinct salary, try to run this query. So, what is the count of distinct salary above 8,000? That is 0, because 8,000 is the highest salary. The second highest salary was 5,000. So, if we run this inner query for the 5,000 record, 5,000 salary, and try to find out the count would be 1. So you can relate it. The second highest salary, which is 5,000, if we place it in the inner query and run, and find out the count of distinct salaries above 5,000, that gives us a result set of 1. Similarly, if we want to find out the salary, with the third highest salary, that is 4,000. So if we place 4,000 over here for the third record, if it runs, if we find out the count of distinct salaries above 4,000, that would be 2. So that is what we have written it over here in SQL queries. We are relating employee, we are taking employee details table, providing it to aliases, and then finding out, if we want to find out the nth highest salary, we are just finding out what is n minus 1. That is how many count are above it. So if we want to find out the third highest salary, that is 4,000, then we need to find 3 minus 1, that is 2 of the salaries should be above it. That 2 we are placing it over here, 2. And then we do a select count of distinct salaries. Here we place it as E1 salary. And then we just do a select star from that table. So if we do that, we get 4,000 as the third highest salary, because if we do a distinct of that table, we get it at the third position. So I hope this would have given you a clear concept of how we are writing the query to find the nth highest salary. Hope this helps. And if you have any more such queries or questions, do comment in the comment box, and do like and subscribe if you haven't done it so. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.